everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, the Khumalo break his silence. A lot have been said since Senzo Meyi was passing. Yesterday, Advocate Defo revealed the shocking information that he have a witness who will testify in Senzo Meyiwa's case. Apparently, that witness revealed that Kelly Khumalo is the one who shot Senzo Meyiwa by mistake. South Africa is patiently waiting for that witness. The big question, who is that witness? Is she or he part of the people who were inside the house the night Senzo Meyiwa was shot, or it's someone who was just passing outside? We are about to find out. Kelly Khumalo just posted her picture captioned, "That's look when you know," Isaiah 41 verse 8 to 16, which reads, "Don't be afraid, I am with you. Don't tremble with fear, I am your God. I will make you strong as I protect you with my arm and give you victories. Everyone who hates you will be terribly disgraced. Those who attack you will vanish into a thin air. You will look around for those brutal enemies, but you won't find them. They will be gone. I am your Lord, your God. I am holding your hand, so don't be afraid. I am here to help you. A strong wind will scatter them in all directions. Then you will celebrate and praise me, your Lord, the Holy God of Israel." Guys, she didn't say much, but this scripture says a lot, leaving us asking ourselves if we will ever find the truth about Senzo Meyiwa's passing. By the look of things, guys, there is no enough or tangible evidence in this case. But again, as such, we are looking forward to the truth. That's all I have for today. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.